Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
People are very cynical, about what is happening to Nigeria. I know of comments such as, Nigeria is a failed state that works. That is an indictment, and that is born out of frustration when things that should work do not work. I don't want to refer to Nigeria as a failed state. It is a struggling nation. It's a struggling nation trying to define itself, but definitely there are more failures than successes. This is all I can say. And our democracy has not alleviated poverty, provided good housing for people, created medical facilities that will stop people from rushing to India, China, or wherever. And a lot has not been done. But I believe we are on the way. And I have hope, very high hopes, that our young people will have a lot to offer. So I hope that the elders and those who have been in it for so long should pave way for the young people and encourage them in every way so that this nation can be taken to the highest height. If we truly believe that the democratic practice is to create a better Nigeria, then we should be reflecting a little more. When we aspire to go into politics, it's not just because you want to be noticed, you want to be influential, you want to have a huge share in the national cake. It is about the people. And I told you, people at the grassroots, especially in these days, are suffering. There is severe hunger, unemployment, sickness, diseases of all kinds. And we hope that those men and women who are elected into position of authority should be there for them. But unfortunately, there is a great dichotomy between those who have and those who don't have. And in Nigeria, politics is one of the lucrative business. If you want easy recognition and you want access to governance and even to the national cake, politics is one of the easiest ways. And it's so unfortunate that politics is supposed to be for service. That as soon as you take a political office and swear to an oath, you are supposed to serve the people. You are supposed to be with the people in good and bad times. You find that our legislators are fully engaged in Abuja, and sometimes they don't have time to even visit their people in their constituencies. And you find out the kind of remunerations they get. It's quite mind-boggling. I have not seen the facts, but I'm told they receive quite huge amounts as salaries and other privileges. And that is not just with the legislators. Go to the local government chairman, to the governor, to the House of Assembly, to the senators, to the representatives, then to the presidency and all other arms. I think the deficiency in our democratic practice is that we focus on the leaders rather than on the poor people who really vote and who produce the goods. Our democratic practice must undergo a serious, sober reflection, and we must be concerned that the interests of the nation, the interests of the children, the youth, and the marginalized of society is uppermost.